The following portion of Great Day KC is sponsored by PayMore.
What's up, everybody? We're out here at PayMore. Gonna see if they can pay me more for some of my old electronics. So let's go in, shall oh! Everything's fine. Let's just go in and see if they'll pay us more. Hey, what's up, dude? Yeah, how you been?
Pretty good. How you been?
Doing all right. So yeah, I just want to know what you'll pay for these items. So yeah, if you can have a look. Hey, Paul, what's up, man? I'll come back and chat with you in a bit. How you doing? Good. How are you? What?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How you been, dude?
I've been doing great.
So obviously PayMore's been here for a whole year now in Kansas City. Tell me, how has it been on your 1 year anniversary?
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to believe it's already been a year, and it's been a great year. So we've opened up 3 stores. We got Overland Park right here. We've got Lee Summit. We got Westport, and it's clearly been an unmet need here in Kansas City. We've served thousands of people, helping them turn their old tech into cash. We've also served dozens of businesses around town. We come to them to pick up products. So it's been a great year.
So, and obviously, you know, from the consumer to commercial to businesses, you're wiping the data that's on the devices whenever you get them, right?
Yeah, absolutely. That's one of the most important things that we do, and one of the biggest promises we make to our customers is that all their data and all their devices is going to get wiped or destroyed, keeping all their private information secure.
For sure. So obviously you got your 2 sons back here, Ethan and Eli, and you started this with them. How do you think that's been going from your perspective? I'll ask them, but from your perspective, how's it been going?
Well, that's obviously been the best part. I mean, it's always been my dream to do something with the boys. And when this opportunity came along to open up a real family business, I jumped all over it. The boys got excited about it, and they've just done such a great job growing the business, taking great care of our customers. I really couldn't be more proud.
Awesome. The boys. How's it going, guys? Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and talk to you about this stuff in just a moment. But before I do that, I'm gonna talk with your brother. You're at the Westport store, right? We've been out there for 3 or 4 months. I chatted with you when you guys opened. How's that been, man?
It's been really good. You know, we've been pretty busy since we opened, and you know, getting a lot of good interactions with customers, so it's been fantastic.
Is there anything that you've not enjoyed about working with family with PayMore? I don't know if we can ask that, but let's have it. Here are all the details. Here are the gossips right here.
Well, one thing definitely is, you know, my dad, I call him Paul when I'm at work, but then outside of work, I keep calling him Paul, and he does not like that very much.
All right, Ethan. So how's it been for you working with family every day, man?
No, it's been great. I mean, I've taken the opportunity to try to learn as much as I can from my father. I will say the only unfortunate part is that some days we'll be in the groove working back there, and then he'll come out of his office, and all of a sudden this embarrassing story from my childhood randomly comes out of nowhere, and I'm just like, come on, man.
All right, so did you have a chance to look at the items? Any idea what we can get a quote on here?
What we can make an offer on is the Steam Deck and then the iPhone 12. So we can offer a total of $225 for both, with the bulk of that coming with the Steam Deck. And that is because the iPhone actually has a bad battery, so we have to buy that as broken. But because we can still sell it as broken, we're still able to make an offer on it.
Okay, awesome. And with the PC, you'll take it, you'll wipe all the old information off there, no problem to me, right?
Yes, sir. We make sure, so we'll open that up, take the hard drive out, and wipe it using an external dock, and then all your data is secure before it hits the recycle pile.
Come in with an armful of stuff and leave with a pocket full of cash. It's just that easy. 3 convenient locations across the Kansas City Metro. Hey, Paul, are there gonna be more locations?
Yeah, absolutely.
I knew it.
We'll have more locations in the coming years for sure.
Okay, awesome. Well, there's so many opportunities to get paid more. You don't pay more, they pay you more. Check out PayMore. You can Google them or find them in Westport, Overland Park, and Lee Summit. That's what my head said, but I wasn't sure if that's right. Anyway, all the information you need to know is right there on your screen.